Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to make my stupid waffles. Step 1. Open the bag. So we're going to make 4 waffles today, which is about a cup. So we're doing a cup of the mix, and then we're going to do a cup of the water. We're going to mix it up, and then we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and we'll be ready to make waffles. It's that easy. Today, one of our toppings is going to be pimento cheese. So we've got a little bit of shredded cheddar here. This is our mix of mayonnaise and cream cheese. So we're just going to throw a little bit of that in there. We've got our pimentos. Throw our pimentos in there. A little bit of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. This is garlic salt and paprika. Can't ever have too much of that. And then just mix it up. And once you get this fully mixed up, you'll be ready to go on to the next step. We go back to our waffles. Okay, after a couple minutes, your mix will be ready. It should look like this. We're just gonna pop it in the waffle maker. So I like to have a double-sided waffle maker so that you can make 2 at a time. And we're just gonna put about 1/4 of a cup in each side. For this one, we're just going to use plain waffles, and we're going to top them. This takes about 3 minutes, and they'll be ready. It's been about 3 minutes. We're going to pull our waffles now. Perfect. Let's get the other one. Beautiful. And now we're going to top our waffles with our pimento cheese we made earlier. So just add a little on there. By a little, I mean a lot, or however much you want. And we made a little hot honey jam drizzle. This is going to be really good. I'm just going to drizzle that over the top. And this just shows how versatile the waffles are. You can make them with anything. You can do sweet or savory, lunch or dinner, whatever you like. And voila. Now you've got stupid food waffles with pimento cheese and a hot honey jam.